as you can see, my kitchen is a mess. So I'm going to teach you how to clean up your kitchen, or help your family clean up your kitchen. The first thing we're going to do is empty and fill our dishwasher. Okay, let's go. Wash all of our dishes that couldn't go in the dishwasher. Step will be to clear up your kitchen counter, put everything where it goes, and then to wipe the kitchen counter, you can use your dish rag or disinfectant wipes or paper towels and spray, whatever you normally use that goes on your countertop. Okay, let's go. Now you need to clear off and wipe your kitchen table. Next, we're going to wipe off our stove. First, you need to make sure your stove is off, that none of it's hot, you used it a long time ago so that it's safe to wipe. Otherwise, the burners would be very hot. So I'm gonna wipe with my washcloth to get all the crumbs off. I'm also gonna use a spray that can be used on a glass stove, just so I can get a couple of the grease spots or spots where the food is really caked on. Make sure if you're cleaning the knobs, you don't accidentally turn one on. So that's gonna make my stove look shiny and new. We're also gonna clean and disinfect our sink. First, we're gonna rinse out any extra food debris. And then we're going to spray our cleaner. In order to disinfect this bottle, the directions tell me I need to let the spray sit for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna wait 2 minutes before I wipe it off with my paper towel or rag that I'm using. So I'll wait. Okay, now you can wipe it off. It smells really good. Okay. Throw that away, and then because this is a cleaner, I'm also going to wash my hands when I'm done. You're going to want to sweep or Swiffer your floors. So I have my duster here and a dustpan to pick up all the crumbs. Very last step is to empty the trash. So check your trash if it's full. You're gonna tie your bag. And then you're going to put a new bag in. And there you have it. Now you have a clean kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and put away the rest of my dishes after they're dry. And you can see a really nice before and after picture.